Yesterday, we were doing the show and we forgot our button pusher, who's a very good friend of ours, Radio Mike's birthday.
You know what we didn't forget? The most important day of the year, which is the day after the birthday.
Some people say that's the saddest day of the year.
Not for you.
The day after your birthday is the saddest. Your birthday is the saddest day.
No, this is
Guys, I
cause
just
for
had my
celebration.
first on-air sneeze. We've been doing this for a year. That was my first on-air sneeze. No. I think this is a milestone moment for the
Well,
show. I've
Lewis-
had my first on-air sneeze.
Lewis, you know what?
Yeah?
Let's celebrate. I've actually gotten
Okay.
you a cake to celebrate your first on-air sneeze.
Oh, wait, was that
Annabelle,
Thank
bring
you.
in the
Bring in
cake.
the
Was
cake.
this all set up?
Take the note off. The note did say, what does the note say?
Sorry. It was originally a sorry cake.
But
for
now it's for
Mike.
my first on-air sneeze.
Ah.
Guys,
Congratulations.
amazing.
So you're not sorry.
No,
Huh?
this is really good. No, we
Well,
were
we
sorry,
were,
but
and
then
then
I sneezed on air, and
something-
this is so much more important, much bigger milestone
Something
than your
more
birthday.
pressing came up. So
Should we sing Happy Sneeze Day?
yes.
Yeah? Okay. I'm just going to eat the cake.
Happy Sneeze
Sneeze
Day
Day
to
to
you. Happy Sneeze Day to you. Achoo! Happy Sneeze Day, dear Lewis.
Hip hip
Achoo!
achoo!
Hip hip! Achoo! Hip hip! Achoo!
Guys, thank you so much for coming to my first on-air sneeze party. It means so much to me, and that you brought this cake for me. You guys are the best friends ever. It's Luke and Lewis on the Fox. Happy first on-air sneeze day.
Luke and Lewis on 1019 The Fox.